Alright, welcome back to the channel again guys. As you can already tell from the title of this video, I am going to show you two things that arrived in my mailbox today. Before we move forward, I would just like to announce the 3 winners of the CoolerMaster giveaway that I did in one of the previous video. If your name appears on the screen now, please send me a message and I will arrange the prizes to be delivered right to your doorstep. Do remember that the giveaway is only valid for those who are currently residing in Malaysia. Alright, let's start from the first box. As you can tell, it's the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3070. Come on. Okay, it comes with the user manual, I guess, or quick start guide. Let's get straight to the GPU. It usually comes with additional power extension, I guess, but we won't be needing that. Here it is. Let's put this aside. This is how the Zotac Gaming Twin Edge series looks like, be it the 3070 or the 3060 Ti. It's quite a short card, as you can tell, but it is also a little bit wider on the width. So take note of that if you are rocking a much more smaller and compact casing. Yep. Alright, next up we have a package from Pos Laju, Malaysia's national courier service. Okay, I also have a new knife, Japanese knife, which is allegedly very sharp. Let's open it up. Okay, it's very sharp. Is it sharp? Kinda sharp. Okay, safety first. Let's get it out of the way. Good. Another package. What? Okay, knife again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is the Cyberpunk pre-order edition set. Okay, let's have a look. Ooh la la. This is the Cyberpunk 2077 badges, I would say. It's like badges that you can stick to your t-shirt or caps, I guess. Right, next we have the games. Okay, later on we have to look at this t-shirt. We also get a t-shirt which is, what does it say? Breathtaking.
You're breathtaking. You're all breathtaking.
I bought the pre-order set from Impulse Gaming. They are from Johor Bahru, so this is the set that comes with it. Comes with the t-shirt. Alright. Now, the game. Okay, let's have a look at the game. See, it's still new and I have yet to activate the game. How do I open it? I'm so scared to destroy the packaging. Ooh. Ah, I'm so bad at this. Oh. Night City changes everybody. Cyberpunk 2077 is an open world action adventure story set in Night City. Come, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Ooh, let's go. This is the game, I guess. Ooh, comes with postcards. World Compendium. So it basically tells you what's in the game. Basically like a quick start guide, I guess. Gameplay, yep. These, I guess, are the postcards. Okay. El Coyote Kojo. Second piece, Japantown. I believe this is Night City. And the third one is a beach site called Pacifica. And the back, yeah, it's actually literally a postcard that you can actually use. Not gonna use it. Okay, and there you go. We have a soundtrack CD. I do still have a CD player at home, but it's getting rarer and rarer now to find a CD player anyway, especially in a new home, right? This is the game code. I'm not gonna give you. I'm gonna be playing it. Alright, it's a scratch card that I will be scratching after this video. This is the Welcome to Night City card from the game developer. Ooh, stickers. Stickers, guys. Cyberpunk 2077 stickers. Awesome. And this I will be assuming is a poster. Alright. Night City. Oh, okay. It's actually a map. Watson, City Center, Westbrook, Haywood, Santo Domingo, Pacifica. So there you go, guys. This has been a quick unboxing video of the Cyberpunk pre-order set together with the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3070. So yeah, I'm going to start playing and hopefully I'll share some footages and probably some benchmark to share with you guys. So I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye!
Fucking drive, Jackie.
Come on, V, shoot!
Can't keep her steady.
Hold tight, V! Mierda, perdón!